Hey there, tech troubleshooters! Ever faced the frustrating DNS probe finished no internet error on your Windows 11 system? Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, let's fix this together. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button. This is our entry point. Open up the Device Manager. It's like the command center for your system. Expand the adapter. We're digging deeper into the heart of the issue. Right-click on the driver. Click on Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Opt for Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your driver, click Next, and then Close. Congratulations, you've tackled the first hurdle. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Control Panel. Think of it as your tech command center. Open the Control Panel. This is where the magic happens. Click on Network and Internet. Head to the Network and Sharing Center. It's the hub for all things network related. Click on Ethernet. Get ready to fine-tune your connection. Select Properties. It's time to make some adjustments. Choose Internet Protocol version 4. This is where the DNS action is. Select DNS server. You're in control now. Type in preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS as 8.8.4.4. Google's got your back. Checkmark Valid settings upon exit. Confirm your changes. Click OK and then OK again. Your connection just got a major upgrade. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for CMD. We're going commando with the command prompt. Right-click and Run as administrator. Let's get serious. Click Yes. You're now in control of the system. Copy and paste the provided commands one by one. Release, flushdns, renew, reset IP, and reset winsock. These commands are your secret weapons. Type exit and press enter. You've successfully executed the commands. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.